Hey again, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by again. So my second box of today, again, which I should have done a few days ago, but I've been too unwell, is Single Swag. Now this is from the USA, $39.99 a month, which works out around about £25 I think. But the thing I like about this box is that they're always giving out discount codes up to 40%, and they're not just for new members either. I get a lot into my email, meaning I can use the codes on my box, and it's only £7 shipping to the UK. So with the code, I usually get the box for around £24 a month. Okay, with the tail of this one, I've ordered the April one and the May one. Now, on tracking the April one, it seems to be, I don't know if it's stuck at customs or just slow shipping, but I haven't got it. This is actually the May one, weirdly enough, arrived before the April one. So I'll be doing the April one after this one, but I just thought I'd mention that to avoid the confusion. This is the May box. Okay, so let's get one of these, which tells you what's in it. So my box this month, without looking what's in it, is worth $220. A lot more than the $39.99 paid. Pack forth, these are about 7 or 8 items for ladies. And the first one, we've got an Ivy Olivia satin eye mask. And by the feel of it, it's a permanent one, not one of them packet ones. Actually, let's give it a whirl and open it. There we go. Look at that. That's actually like stars and stuff, constellations. Let's just have a go. I've got no idea what I look like with this on because I can't see. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. How much was that one? How much was it? $28. Is that about £20? Maybe a bit less. Slowly getting used to working out the dollars to pound ratio, but it can change daily. So I think it's kind of like maybe 2/3. Whatever it is in dollars, it's kind of 2/3 in English. I know it's more than half anyway. Anyway, what else have we got in here? Right, got some strawberry body milk from Quest Naturals. Smells kind of good. Smells even better on. And that one cost $24. 15, 16 quid. Maybe. Oh, you always get a snack, and this month I've got Pyroluene, some cream filled wafers in a tin, which I'm not going to eat now because I'm not that hungry. Those cost $4, which is really cheap. Maybe a £2.50 maybe. Cheaper. Okay. Next one, we've got some Hand Defense hand wash infused buffer, a spongy mane infused, costing $14. I have no idea what this is, so I'll have a look. Ah, it's a sponge. Oh, it smells lovely. One of those infused sponges. It smells really, really good. It's got tea tree oil and thyme in it. Yeah, there's that. And oh, I've got some socks. I actually needed some new socks too. So these say on them, Richard Pora, designed in California, and it's got Cook and I don't know if you can see that. says there, the Richer Poorer slogan, and these ones cost $18. It's quite a lot for socks, but yeah, they're pretty good quality. What's this? What is this? Primer gel. Gel for what though? Primer gel is Primordial Luminous Primer Gel. So you put it on your skin, diminish the appearance of fine lines, oil free, extends your wear of your makeup. Okay, now you're talking. So I think you probably put that on before you put your makeup on, maybe. I think that's what it's for anyway. This is Simply Glowing Vitamin C Serum. How much was that one? That's actually $42 and the more expensive ones, and this is $32. It's like a glow serum, vitamin C and licorice root. I'll get that out later. And then the final item, which I think is jewellery. Yeah, so it says Violet Harper on the little box. And oh, it's lovely. It's like really pretty. I think it's like quite a chunky kind of necklace. Not too keen on the earrings. I mean, they're alright, but I do like the necklace. It's really kind of pretty. It's kind of chunky. Like the thin ones that you get a lot in these boxes. That's really nice. Okay, and necklace is $58. It's weighted gold plated, and it measures 16 inch with a 4-inch extender. They're very pretty. This box, and you get a box of it too, of course. So. Okay, so just to go over everything, this is the May box again, not the April one. Hopefully I'll get the April one soon. So we've got the necklace, the socks, primer gel, glowing serum, wafers, a infused scented sponge ring, strawberry body milk, she kind of reminds me of Body Shop stuff actually, and then the eye mask, all for, well, it's $39.99, but you always get discounts of 35%, so you never really end up paying that much. Yeah, for a women's and beauty box, I really like it. I think it's an absolute bargain. And if you're looking for a new box that incorporates kind of beauty and lifestyle for women, then yeah, I get this one. So as I say, that is a May box. I haven't had the April one yet, but I'm pretty sure I will in the next few days. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva. This is the Busy Mummies channel, and bye for now.